Hello kids, let's learn school objects. Pencil. I write with a pencil. Pen. I write with a pen. Eraser. I erase with an eraser. Sharpener. I sharp my pencil. Ruler. I draw a line with a ruler. Notebook. I write in my notebook. Bag. I carry my school bag. Pencil box. My pencil box is blue. Crayons. I color with crayons. Glue. I use glue for my craft. Scissors. I cut paper with scissors. Tape. I use tape to fix paper. Paintbrush. I paint with a paintbrush. Color pencils. I draw with the color pencils. Blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Chalk. I write with chalk. Desk. I sit at my desk. Chair. I sit on my chair. Clock. The clock shows the time. Globe. I see the world on the globe. Computer. I learn on the computer. Calculator. I solve sums with a calculator. Compass. I draw a circle with a compass. Protector. I measure angles with a protector. Geometry box. My geometry box is new. Paper clip. I use a paper clip. Stapler. I staple papers with a stapler. ID card. I wear my school ID card. Lunchbox. I eat from my lunchbox. Water bottle. I drink from my water bottle. School bell. The bell is ringing. School bus. I go to school by bus. Drawing sheet. I draw on the drawing sheet. Dustbin. I throw waste in the dustbin. Fan. The fan is spinning. Notice board. I read the notice on notice board. Attendance sheet. The teacher checks the attendance sheet. homework diary. I write my homework. Paint box. My paint box has many colors. Marker. The teacher writes with the marker. Bookshelf. The books are on the shelf. Playground. We play in the playground. School canteen. We eat in school canteen. Timetable. I check my timetable. Students. Students are learning a lesson. Teacher. Teacher teach students in classroom. School uniform. I wear my school uniform. School. This is my school.
You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.